Hello and welcome. This is Health by Numbers. I'm KB. No scrubs, just facts. HbA1c looks simple, but the math behind it tells a much deeper story. HbA1c isn't a random percentage, it's a mathematical summary of your glucose exposure over time. There is a direct relationship between HbA1c and average glucose. Researchers derived the formula that converts HbA1c into estimated average glucose. Let's take an example. An HbA1c of 6.3%. Using the formula, that corresponds to an average glucose of about 134 milligrams per deciliter. And for those of you who use millimoles per liter instead, divide that number by 18. That same value becomes roughly 7.4 millimoles per liter. So, here's the important part. Two people can have the same HbA1c and very different glucose patterns. Same average, different spikes, different risk. And that's why numbers matter. They don't just label, they clarify risk. If this brought you clarity, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. This is Health by Numbers. No scrubs, just facts.